In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find oil change locations near me. If you want to quickly locate a nearby place for an oil change, this process is simple and only takes a minute. We'll be using the Valvoline Instant Oil Change Location page to search for stores close to you based on your city, state, or zip code. To get started, open your web browser and go to store.vioc.com. This will take you directly to the location search page. Once the page loads, take a moment to make sure you're on the right screen. You should see options related to store locations and a way to begin your search. Next, click on the Find a Location option. This is the main tool you'll use to look up nearby oil change centers. If you're already on the locations page, this area may already be visible, but the important thing is to access the Store Finder section where you can enter your location details. After that, type in your city, state, or zip code in the search field. Use whichever option is most convenient for you. If you want broader results, entering a city and state can help. If you want more precise results, using your zip code is usually the best choice. Make sure the information is entered correctly so you get accurate nearby matches. Once your location is entered, click the search button. This tells the site to look for oil change locations near the area you provided. Depending on your internet speed, the results may appear almost instantly. After the search is complete, all the nearby locations should appear on the screen. You'll typically be able to review the list of stores closest to you and compare which one is the most convenient. This is helpful if you're trying to find the nearest location before heading out, or if you want to check what options are available in a specific area. As a quick tip, if you don't see the results you expected, double-check the spelling of your city or the numbers in your zip code and try the search again. Small typing errors can affect the results. It can also help to search with a neighboring zip code if you live near the edge of a town or metro area. And that's it. That's how to find oil change locations near you using the Location Finder page. Once you see the nearby results, you can decide which location works best for you and move forward from there.